Hello, culinary arts students. This is Mrs. Brown, and in this short video, I will be walking you through how to complete the Unit 8.07 lab. So we'll go ahead and go to Unit 8 here and go to the lab questions. So after you've completed all of the reading, you are ready to complete the lab. So in this lab, there are 4 different options. There is the power of introverts. For this part, if you choose this as an option, you will watch the video using this link here. And then after you watch the video or while you're watching the video, you're going to answer these 7 questions. The expectation is that you write in complete sentences, beginning each sentence with a capital letter and ending each sentence with a period. Be sure that you're giving evidence from the video when you respond to the questions. The second option is this one, applying decision-making skills. So to complete this section of the lab, you'll read this right here, follow the instructions to create a Prezi following the guidelines here. The third option is participating in a staff meeting. So for this one, you are going to, there are 2 parts. You're going to first conduct a mock staff meeting. You're going to follow these instructions here. You would need to have all of the parts that are mentioned. And then the second part is to participate in a staff meeting. So there are 2 parts to this, and I'll go over the requirements here on the next slide. The fourth option is to applying team building skills. So you're going to go to this link here, and then after you've learned a little bit more about team building skills, you're going to create your own team building activity following the instructions right here. And then there is an example description which you would submit after you finish this project here. So those are the 4 options. Here on the next slide, I do have it broken down a little bit more. So once again, option 1 is the power of introverts. You watch the video linked back to where I just was, answer the 7 questions. Option 2, applying decision-making skills. You're going to follow the directions where I just showed you. These bullet points right here are what would equal full credit. So your presentation and your Prezi would have 10 completed slides, at least 5 relevant images, a solid understanding of good customer service. So not just making it up, but showing that, yes, you have in fact learned from the unit. And then a description reflects a solid understanding of effective decision making, and there's very few spelling or grammatical mistakes. The third option, the mock staff meeting, is in 2 parts. You follow the directions back on the previous page. Full credit, here is the criteria for part 1, and here is the full credit criteria for part 2. Last, applying team building skills. You'll use the link given here to follow the instructions. And then you're going to submit either a video or a description, not both. A minimum of 8 sentences in your description or video. So those are the 4 options. Good luck. I look forward to seeing what you choose. This lab is worth 20 points. Remember, you only need to complete 1 option to complete the lab. If you have any questions, let me know.